Warning! I'm going to tell you about a paid marketing course that's pretty darn cool. It teaches you how to create high quality backlinks for your websites. This is beginner to intermediate level search engine optimization stuff. And so if that's not you, please help keep my ad rates low by clicking skip. And if you're watching this organically, then, well, cool. So, my name's Triston and I'm an SEO. I've been in the industry since about 2012 when I started working on my own business's online presence. I grew that from a one-man show to having over 600 freelancers working for me every single day. I helped my clients make about $2.5 million last year in 2019. And so far for 2020, we're about 450,000. But I'm not the person teaching this course. I'm just someone that can confirm that this stuff actually works and that it's worth learning if you intend to take your search engine optimization business seriously. So let's talk real quick about PBNs and what they do. Basically, a private blog network is a network of websites that you manage and use to build authority for your clients' sites. Now, these aren't just any old sites. They need to have their own strong metrics to be well maintained and to have quality content. You can then use them to boost your other sites and send traffic. Now, you can just go out and buy backlinks, even though it's technically against the rules. But the other problem with that is that you don't actually own those sites. You don't have any control of their quality, and you're just as likely to have your site penalized or do nothing at all as you are to see an increase in your rankings. So, the best option, learn how to do it yourself. And it just so happens I know an expert PBN builder who has built this entire beginner to intermediate level course on how to create, maintain, and use your own private blog network. It works, and I recommend that you guys check them out. You'll learn what kind of websites to investigate, which metrics are going to be most important, how to build and manage those sites, as well as the entire network itself. You'll also get an over-the-shoulder look of a PBN being built live. This will work on your website, it'll work on YouTube videos, and you can use this as a way to generate more legitimate referral traffic for your website. So, the big question is, does this stuff actually work? Well, you can see from my ranking and sales data from one of my client sites right here. We got to the number 2 spot for an amazing keyword with just a little over 8,000 searches a month. That turned into about $510,000 in sales. But the thing is that more traffic isn't magically going to solve your problems, okay? And I need to disclose this, all right? In this case, we have a great product, and we spent about a year perfecting the website so that way it can reach these levels of conversion. We're sitting at about 3.6% conversion rates on this site right now with an average sale of about $2,000. That's pretty good. What PBNs do in this case is they give you access to more traffic. They give you access to more opportunities to talk to your customers, to tell them about yourself, your products, and how you can help them. But it's still up to you to take advantage of those opportunities. You can't have a garbage website, throw PBN links at it, and expect to make lots of money. This still requires work. We're not done yet, okay? So, if you're interested in this course, I put together a little landing page, just explains how to sign up. Click on the link on the screen, the card, the end screen, the description, the comments. I'm trying really hard to make that button really easy to push, but this knowledge really is what made the difference for me and for my business. I think it can do the same thing for you. Honestly, I wish I'd had this information 8 years ago when I first got started. So, if that's something that strikes your fancy, you guys know what to do. And if not, I appreciate your time. Have a great day.